Give me money.
Did you make it to the bottom?
We're here at one of the Great Lakes for checkpoint 1 for day 4. Today we are just cruising. There's no racing today. Checkpoint 2 of day 4.
So a little throwback, I had no idea that the Big Boys was a Michigan-based brand. I remember eating at a Big Boys when I was, I don't know, younger than you, all the way out in California. I used to love my dad taking me there for breakfast or whatever. I remember going into the city and we always stopped and had Big Boys breakfast. Pretty cool. Ah!
We're here at...
Hey, this is Barb.
Shut up. We're here at USS Edson for checkpoint 4 of day 4. No, I want to grab the money from there.
Here, I got the change.
Cheese and crackers. Give me money.
Did you make it to the bottom? Don't, you don't have to spike it, just drop it.
Got him!
Good?
Yeah. We're here at Ugly Dragway, I think that's how you say it, for day 5 of Sick Michigan Miles.
He's within 400ths of a second. It's not an improvement, but it's a good back.
Alright, so we just got done with Colby. This is what, day 5? Another really interesting track. Kind of defeated us yet again. Definitely humbled me a good bit. We struggled at Northern, made a bunch of changes, got the car to finally make a pass, I guess. Today we started off with that as kind of our baseline. We started off with a tune from Albany. We started off with a tune from Northern Michigan. Well, that pass, it spun. Came back to the pits, looked at some data, made some changes, and it went down. Went at 571, which I thought was pretty respectable on that surface. Unfortunately, I really wanted to see something in the 550s, maybe a 560. more changes to the tin, went back up there and tried it again. 575. So I decided to call it. We turned in the 571, hit the road. All we can do now is just kind of see how we stacked up against everybody else. It's a tricky situation to go down some of these marginal tracks. They're not exactly something I'm very used to. So I don't normally have a hard time with low prep, I guess. It has kicked my butt these last couple of days. Good? Yeah. Solid. Checkpoint number 1 for day 5. Day 5. Over there is Canada. This is blue water. They call that the Blue Water Bridge. Anyways, yes, this is the closest I've ever been to Canada. Hi, Canada.
Hi, Canada.
Canada. A.
The fun facts of Blue Water Bridge.
That is a big boat. Really, for a boat of that size, it's kind of hauling butt.
I didn't realize how long it was. We're here at Saul's Automotive Museum, checkpoint 2 of day 5.